Friday, May 3rd, and I am officially going to be leaving Glasgow on Tuesday, May 7th, so I thought I would do the last couple days that I'm gonna be here before I go back home over the summer. Just for context, I go to school full-time at the University of Glasgow, and I am from America. I will be coming back next school year. I just wanted to do the last couple days that I'm gonna be here. It's actually really sad. I don't think it's like hit me yet because the past couple weeks I've just been focusing on finals and studying, and now I have a weekend left to just pack up everything in this room and say goodbye to my friends and see all the places I still want to see. It's a little bit overwhelming, but it's gonna be good. I'm going to have an amazing last couple days here. I think, what, 4 days including today? It's already 1 p.m. Later today I'm going with my friends Chloe and Zoe. We might hang out until the evening, eat dinner. While I wait here, I think I'm going to attempt to start unpacking this. I don't know where to start. I'm thinking I start with the decorations. Hopefully none of the wall paint gets messed up or anything because I'm genuinely really stressed out about it, so maybe I should just get that out of the way. I'm going to do that first, and then yeah, I guess I'll head out. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you following my little University of Glasgow experience up to this point. Hopefully I still make really interesting videos over the summer. I'm thinking New York days, cozy home vlogs, whatever I'm feeling, so still stay tuned for those if you can. So yeah. This is so weird. Behold my naked wall. And nothing stuck onto it. So, if anyone's wondering, I use this blue, I think it's wall tape for like when you're painting. I use that to put all of my posters up so that nothing sticks onto the wall.
Are you coming to the tree? Oh gosh! Are we ready? Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man. They say who murdered three straight.
Now it's Saturday. Yesterday ended up being so fun. Okay, wait, I just showered, so that's why I'm like doing this. But me and my friends went to Witherspoon after we ate out, and we don't have those in America, but it's like a hangout spot, pub, restaurant mix thing where any person from any demographic seems to be there. I don't know what you call it, but we were chilling there. We had some wine. I got some new earrings while we were looking at the shops. I got some hoops, and it came with a second pair. And then I got these. They have like little swords and then little other designs on them, and I think total this was like 20 bucks from Lovisa, which is like pretty good for earrings. Are you kidding me? I feel like that's a steal. I'm going to meet up my friend Zoe again for her lunch break because she is at work. I'm gonna take the bus in. We're gonna, I think, eat at Taco Bell because I feel like that's just our go-to meal whenever we want to go out. I feel like you can't go wrong with Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell. And then she'll go back to work, and I'm thinking maybe I'll wander around Kelvingrove Park, maybe even go to the museum while I'm here. I feel like I haven't really wandered the museum enough. And then I'm thinking when I get back, I have to get a move on with my room because I have this whole other wall with hundreds of more pictures on it, endless, and just packing in general. I don't know how I'm gonna get it all done by Monday. I'm gonna hopefully dry my hair faster so I can go out and meet up Zoe for Taco Bell. I have an oversized little hoodie and then green flare-out pants. Taco Bell with my friend Zoe. It was so good. I'm just sitting at Kelvingrove Park reading my book. I did some journaling. I might go to the museum. I don't know. I'm debating it. Or just going to a cafe or doing both. I feel like I want coffee though. I don't really know what good cafes are around here. So I'm like, maybe I should just go wander a bit. Because the grass is kind of wet. I feel like when I stand up it's going to be really bad. But it's totally fine. But anyway.
To hold on tight, you got me hypnotized. Everything's alright, but when I go away, my friends they tend to say that everything's okay, and I should feel betrayed. You got me. With you, I would always stay the same. You let me down and left its mark, but now I'm finally crawling out of the dark. I'm crawling out of the dark.
I'm back from being out. Quick rant. It was sunny here in Glasgow the weeks I had exams, and my final exam, where I spent the entire day sitting in this room writing essays, was one of the sunniest days I had ever seen in my life, and it was just so mocking. And now that I'm done and I'm ready to do all the things I want to do and say goodbye to Glasgow, it starts getting gray and rainy again. Anyway, it was so good. The Kelvingrove Museum, so glad I went. I love that museum. I love the room of just heads. I went to 2 cafes. Okay, initially, I went to that first cafe because I was genuinely like, I need a caffeine boost. And then after I went to the museum, I was like, I don't want to just spend my last couple days here sitting in my room because I know probably tomorrow, the first half of the day, I'm going to have to spend packing. And so I was like, you know what? I might as well say goodbye to Offshore Cafe, which is my favorite place in the whole world to study and just do anything. So I was there for a bit. I think I'm going to take off this wall. I think I'll work on that now. Sunday now. I'm looking a little crazy because I have my hair up in a little roller. I'm going to spend the morning just packing because I realized if I do go out right now before my friends come over later today, I might have time to still go out, but I'm not going to have time to actually pack because I don't know if my friends are staying the night. I don't know, because I know we're also hanging out on Monday because we want to hang out as much as we can with each other before I have to go. That's actually so sad. The friends I made here in Glasgow have made Glasgow a home away from home. I am going to start packing up, get my closet a little bit in order, and yeah, be a little bit productive. Maybe if I do have time, I'll go out maybe to the botanic garden. I go there all the time. Or I've been wanting to go to a bookshop that I've been to before, but I haven't been to in a hot minute. I don't know if I'll ever have time to do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on that. Boxes, 2 suitcases which are fully packed for what I'm going to keep here. I still have to pack for when I go home, just a jumble of mess right here. Bags, clothes that I'm bringing home, still in there. Here's the fit. Monday. It's currently 11:30 a.m. and it's my last and final day here. I mean, technically tomorrow is, but I'm pretty much just leaving in the morning, so this is my last day in Glasgow. Yesterday was so fun. Me and my friends ended up going to this Irish pub. It's called Kitty O'Shea's. It was pretty busy even though it was a Sunday because today I believe is a bank holiday. I forget what for, but yeah. We got home at like 1:30, 2, and then I think I went to bed at like 3, maybe even close to 4, so I woke up late. I do want to do a last walk just around Glasgow, and I don't know, I want to go to the Botanic Gardens again. I want to go to the bookstore that I couldn't go to yesterday. One last goodbye. I mean, I'm gonna be back next semester and I'm gonna be here for the next 3 years after this, so I know I shouldn't be so distraught. Later, me and my friends are gonna have a little movie night, have some takeout, and then we're gonna say our goodbyes. Oh, that's crazy. I'm genuinely excited to go back home, but I am sad leaving here. I'm gonna try to actually get started on packing what I'm gonna bring home and then see how the day turns out. So yeah. I'm pretty much like all packed. I think I'm gonna just try to get everything sorted, and then my friends are gonna meet me a little bit earlier, and then we're gonna do the walk around here so that we can just hang out for longer and I can say my goodbyes to Glasgow. gardens. We're gonna eat some lunch. It's so nice out. My last day. Actually so sad, but we're gonna live it up. It'll be slaying. Like 6 p.m. now. We went to Voltaire and Rousseau bookstore and I wanted to give you guys a little book haul. First we have Atonement, which is supposed to be really good. Zoe read it and said it was a slapper.
Yeah, and then they made it into a movie.
And then we have Sense and Sensibility, a classic by Jane Austen. I've read Pride and Prejudice. I've read Northanger Abbey. I haven't read Sense and Sensibility yet, but now I am because I have the book. Not that I shouldn't have been buying anything else because I'm literally leaving tomorrow morning, but it's totally fine. Also, oh my god, a couple of vlogs back, I did a taste test of what I called at the time Tyrells. What a humiliation that was for me. They're called Tittles. Zoe came over. I was like, oh, I have to get some Tyrells. And she was like, oh yeah, they're called Tittles. And it had me laughing when you said it on your vlog. Anyway, that's the update. I'm gonna finish cleaning. This is the state of my room. It's really disgusting, but it'll be fine. Guys, I haven't filmed the rest of the night, but it's currently midnight. All my friends nearly left. Chloe eventually came. We sat and we watched The Thought of You. What's it called? It's called The Idea of You. What a slapper movie with Anne Hathaway and who's the guy? I forget, but totally recommend. Kinda just wanted to spend the last evening we had together. Just us. It was so fun, but like, I don't think it's hit me that I'm not gonna see them for 4 months. But anyway, I gotta finish up getting things in order. I'm gonna finish this up, wake up, be productive, get myself to the airport, and head home.